Manta Network, Shiba Inu, and FTX Token are among the top cryptocurrencies to command considerable attention this week. Manta is currently trading at $3.54. Shiba Inu, $6, $6, $60, $6, $76, and $74, $91, $94, $31942. FTT, $2.80. Manta Network launched its native token MNA last week with a total supply of 1 billion tokens and a 2% annual inflation rate. The token has been positioned for purposes bordering on fees, staking, and liquidity. Manta opened trading on January 18th with a $5,500 to $6,000 inches, who continued to appreciate in value. The asset eventually rallied by a massive 6,559% to a new all-time high of $3.33 that day. Despite a correction that ensued following the $3.33 high, Manta retained most of its gains, closing May 18th with a 4,240% rise. The days that followed were marked by drops and upswings, but the token maintained a general uptrend. Manta sustained this uptrend into this week, despite recording a massive 8.89% decline on January 22nd, its largest intraday drop. The asset recovered these losses, securing a new all-time high on January 28th as it rallied to $3.89 amid another batch of consistent daily gains. Manta has secured $18.54. It has been 2015 for Providence intraday gains in 11 days as it looks to rally its way into the limelight. The token surged 34% this past week. Shiba Inu's recent price movements were a direct reflection of the condition of the broader market. Notably, Bitcoin experienced a massive collapse on January 22nd, slumping below the pivotal $40,000 level for the first time this year. And as the firstborn crypto asset dropped, the rest of the market followed. The global crypto market cap dropped below $1.6 trillion as most cryptocurrencies recorded substantial dips. Shiba Inu was not spared in the onslaught. It relinquished the $10 million 0009 level, closing January 22nd at $0.00000. The selling pressure spilled into the next day, compounding the market collapse. SHIB saw further drops, collapsing to $27 million and $84.33, its lowest value since January 3. However, a market resurgence ensued shortly after, introducing enough strength to help Shiba Inu recover $0.0000009. The asset has recorded consecutive intraday gains since January 26th as it flips to $0.0007 territory of support. SHIB had a high of $0.1925 today, but met resistance, saying that saw it drop slightly to $0.000 headquarters. The token aims to reclaim the $1.71, but it would need to first conquer the resistance points. And the FTX token was also subject to the fluctuations of the broader market, despite being relegated to the background following the FTX collapse. However, FTT stood out as it aimed to form a bullish double bottom pattern on the daily time frame. A double bottom pattern occurs when the price of an asset collapses to a low point amid a downturn, registers a recovery from this low point, and then faces another correction to the same low point or a slightly higher low. And a pattern suggests an imminent end to the downtrend and a potential reversal. FTT formed the first bottom when it declined to a low of $231 on January 8th. However, the asset recovered beyond this point, rallying to a high of $3.47 on January 12th. The asset consolidated at the top, but held above the $2.09 support until January 18th. FTT dropped to a low of 2.47 earlier this week, a level slightly higher than the 2.31 low from January 8th. This drop essentially formed the second bottom. And a double bottom is confirmed when the asset recovers again to form a neckline at the top 2 at 9. The FTX token aims to form this neckline amid the recent market recovery that ensued 3 days ago. FTT currently trades for $2.79. The token would need to surge above the $3.2 price to confirm the formation of the double bottom. This confirmation could indicate the start of a more substantial recovery campaign.